Hi guys, Tuva here. It is Friday the 1st of July and it is now a waxing moon in Leo. Represents a lion roaring. You know that it's a strong energy. It is a bright fire sign and the moon in Leo is shining to society to gain in all areas. In love, independence, unleashing creativity. Is considered the barren sign. The moon in Leo helps again with conception, but also it has been noted magically that if you conceive under that sign, it will be a boy. Whether there's truth in that or not, I really don't know. What it's saying is go out and enjoy yourself. But be careful if you're going to spend on things that you have wanted for a long time. For some reason they will seem irresistible and you're going to want to spend money you probably haven't got. So just be aware of that, guys. Onto the cards now, and I got a different pack here and I'm just going to spread them and we're going to go across. What one is it? That's that one. Okay, let's turn this over and have a look. A Two of Cups. Now this is all about emotion, relationships, being drawn to someone, the excitement of that time when you find somebody or you look towards someone that you're attracted to, very strong emotions, or longing for someone or something in your life that you can't have. Could be at this particular time, but also acting on your desires. So that's a difficult one. It could be negative or positive, but I always feel that this is a lovely card because it's denoting relationship, but also when you look at the picture, if you've ever looked at it, it's showing a commitment to each other. It is showing a partnership, a very loving one, and everything is calm and cheery. So we can see how they are shined on, really positive. So any attachment or anything that you're looking towards, you're going to be attracted this particular time. Doing the things that make you feel good and admitting how you feel with somebody. So you might have been going out for a little while with somebody, but you haven't actually said I love you, or that you want to be a little bit more than what you are. And it's a time, really, what the card is saying is to come clean and promote that energy and tell them how you feel. And then you're going to feel ecstatic if they agree and they feel the same. So it's all about partnership, relationship, and I do feel it's in partnerships, nothing to do with money, nothing to do with anything else. This is about love. But what it's saying is it's calm days, it's lovely, it's that time when you feel absolutely amazing. You both love each other so much. Things are gonna go so well with this relationship. There is unity. You're at that time when you agree with each other and there's unconditional love and there's romance in it and you have total respect for each other. Take time to nurture and enjoy it while it lasts, guys, rather than merely, enjoying the desires of each other. Think about what you both want and definitely be yourselves. Do not pretend to be someone that you're not, because it won't work. In a really good relationship, there's that feeling of safeness, that you can be who you are and not be ridiculed, not be laughed at, or the person walk away. You get all that out of the way when you first meet, and now is the time when you're going to be happy and sort of click together, which is really lovely. If there's a problem, you need to say so, and if there isn't, well, that's great. Your spiritual practice can't just be for you when you're in a relationship like this. It has to be either accepted by the other person or even something they like to do themselves. But if they don't, then you just need to be cautious with them and explain it to them. I'm sure everything will be fine without them getting upset. Never be the sort of partnership where you have to go hide away in your spiritual life, because that's never going to work. They need to be on the level. These are the angel cards today, and we're going to go across, and I'm feeling excited energy for some reason. Is it this one? Okay. Oh, that one popped out, so maybe it was that one. Oh, I love it when they tell me what one to go for, and it is so evident. So let's have a look. Oh my goodness. Playfulness. There you go, guys. Playfulness. And what is it that you do when you're in a really happy relationship? You are playful. You remember what it's like to be a child and to enjoy the things and the small things of life. Silly little things, but things that really make your relationship. And the angels are saying, revel in this playfulness, because it's so lovely in the early days of a loving relationship, and you need to just be yourselves. Remember how to enjoy yourselves. Enjoying life together makes a strong partnership for a long life. So now I'm going to get the Elder Futhark, and let's hope they're going to be just as lovely. There we go, guys. There's Yera. Now, Yera is the rune of success and continuity. The fruition of a plan, and what more is a plan if a partnership is coming together and love is blossoming and you are so happy. So this is fruitful, good spirits and rewards for the past efforts. So in other words, when you got together, it took time, didn't it, to actually tell each other how you felt. So you're getting the rewards by it all coming together. And this is a time of reaping the love that you set the seed to sow in the past, and the celebration, so the fun part, the time where you're enjoying each other. The harvest would be becoming a complete unit and a family eventually. The witch's rune now, and see if it corresponds. Let's have a look. Okay, well, we have the eye. There you go, guys. It is lifting the veil and focusing, and your abilities psychically, but also witnessing the things that's going on. Now we can see all this wonderful reading here. We can see the love and the playfulness, and the eye is saying, you know, use your intuition, use that ability that you both have to know what you have got is right. You can also use your insight to help you with things like that. And remember, guys, always find your child within will help you in many ways. We think that everything is got to be boring and, you know, no fun, nothing to really do but the job, come home, go to sleep, get up, and that's not what life's about. And if you want to meet somebody, you need to be playful, you need to be who you really are, but you also have to have your feet firmly on the ground. So I'm going to leave it there. I hope you're all well. I hope everything's going to be great for your weekend ahead, and I will be back tomorrow with another reading. So wherever you are, whatever time of day, night or evening it may be, I wish you the best ever. House of Lang.